The 7 Steps from Money Slave to Money Master is a practical guide designed to help individuals transition from a mindset of financial struggle and dependency to one of mastery and financial freedom. The book outlines a transformative journey that emphasizes developing financial independence, building wealth, and taking control of one's financial destiny. Through a step-by-step approach, the author explores the various principles, habits, and mental shifts required to break free from a life of financial servitude and move toward a future of prosperity and security. The author begins by addressing the foundational issue of financial mindset. Many individuals find themselves trapped in the cycle of debt, living paycheck to paycheck, and struggling to make ends meet. This struggle is often fueled by limiting beliefs about money, a lack of financial education, and poor spending habits. The book argues that before achieving financial mastery, individuals must first reshape their thinking. It is essential to develop an abundance mindset, one that recognizes money as a tool to create freedom and opportunities rather than something to fear or resent. As the book progresses, it dives into practical strategies to improve financial literacy. Financial mastery begins with understanding the basic principles of money management, such as budgeting, saving, and investing. The author emphasizes the importance of tracking expenses, creating realistic financial goals, and building an emergency fund to weather unforeseen challenges. Financial independence requires discipline and awareness, and these initial steps are designed to lay the groundwork for lasting financial change. The book highlights the importance of overcoming the victim mentality that often accompanies financial struggle. A key aspect of transitioning from a money slave to a money master is taking personal responsibility for one's financial situation. The author encourages readers to stop blaming external circumstances, such as job loss or economic downturns, for their financial troubles and instead focus on what can be controlled. Developing a mindset of empowerment is crucial, as it enables individuals to take proactive steps toward improving their financial situation rather than feeling hopeless or helpless. Another essential step in the journey toward financial mastery is learning how to generate multiple streams of income. The book stresses that relying solely on a traditional 9-to-5 job is often insufficient for achieving long-term financial freedom. Instead, readers are encouraged to seek out additional income sources, such as investments, side businesses, or passive income opportunities. This diversification of income not only accelerates wealth building but also provides a safety net in case of job loss or economic instability. The author also explores the concept of wealth building through investments. Financial mastery requires more than simply saving money, it involves making money work for you. The book introduces various investment strategies, such as real estate, stocks, and other assets that can generate passive income and grow wealth over time. The importance of understanding risk, doing due diligence, and making informed investment choices is emphasized throughout the book. Additionally, the book addresses the need for financial planning and setting long-term goals. Financial freedom is not an overnight achievement, but rather a long-term endeavor that requires careful planning, patience, and consistency. The author stresses the importance of having a clear vision for the future, creating a financial roadmap, and regularly assessing progress. By staying committed to these goals and adjusting as necessary, readers can achieve financial security and freedom over time. The final step in the process is mastering the art of giving back. Financial mastery is not only about accumulating wealth but also about using that wealth to create positive change in the world. The author encourages readers to adopt a mindset of generosity and contribution, whether through charitable giving, mentorship, or supporting causes that align with personal values. Giving back not only benefits others but also creates a sense of fulfillment and purpose, rounding out the journey from money slave to money master. Throughout the book, the author offers practical advice, personal anecdotes, and real-life examples of individuals who have successfully made this journey. The key takeaway is that financial freedom is within reach for anyone willing to commit to the process of transforming their mindset, improving their financial habits, and consistently working toward their financial goals. The path to becoming a money master is not easy, but with dedication, perseverance, and the right tools, it is possible to break free from financial slavery and create a life of abundance and freedom.